Perhaps you've heard lately that there's a 13th sign of the Zodiac.
Hi guys, and welcome back to another video. So since really starting my astrology YouTube videos, I have been asked by a couple of you guys about this 13th sign. But firstly, before I go into the Greek mythology of this constellation, because Ophiuchus is a constellation, not a sign.
So today we're going to be talking about astrology, and I have really no idea where this video is going to go. I didn't prepare anything. Over the weekend I got an insane amount of comments, tweets, Snapchats, Instagram comments, everywhere, of people freaking out, oh my gosh, did you hear NASA announced that the Zodiac have changed and I am no longer a Capricorn or an Aries and I don't fit my new sign.
Wait, okay, so you're telling me my zodiac sign is different? Who decided this?
The world, according to John.
Hello and welcome to another exciting episode of The World According to John. My name is, as you know, John Paula. And on today's episode, I want to talk about the latest quote-unquote discovery of a 13th sign on the Zodiac. The Minnesota Planetarium Society has recently redefined the Zodiac calendar, including a 13th sign that would fall between November 29th and December 17th.
Ophiuchus is a constellation, not a sign. 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 Ophiuchus is a constellation, not a sign.
Alchemists in ancient Europe had a 13-sign zodiac. This 13-sign zodiac was based on the lunar cycle, 28-day months, 13 months a year, as opposed to our 12-month calendar that we have now.
Discovery of a 13th sign.
Perhaps you've heard lately that there's a 13th sign of the Zodiac.
I have been asked by a couple of you guys about this 13th sign.
Alchemists in ancient Europe had a 13-sign zodiac. This 13-sign zodiac was based on the lunar cycle, 28-day months, 13 months a year, as opposed to our 12-month calendar that we have now. So I guess this begs the question, if we have 12 months, we have 12 signs in the zodiac, what was the name of this 13th month or this 13th sign? This is where the answer gets really fascinating, because the 13th sign of the zodiac was called Ophiuchus. It's a constellation in the sky, and it lies between the constellations of Sagittarius and Scorpio. What is really fascinating about this is that is exactly where the center of the galaxy lies. So Ophiuchus, or the serpent holder, is the center of the galaxy. It is the secret sign of the zodiac. It's the sign that governs all the other signs. Just as Jesus governed the 12 apostles, just as King Arthur governed the 12 knights of the Round Table, so too does Ophiuchus, or the serpent holder, govern the other 12 signs of the zodiac.